Hello friends, today we'll be learning how to draw a chicken. We'll be making a freehand sketch of a chicken. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. The first thing we do is we make a curve. Can you see that? We pick a blue color and then we cross that. Alright, let's clean it a little bit. Okay, it's okay. We pick up a yellow color and we make 1, 2, 3. And at the back we make 1, 2, 3. And then in the middle here we make 1, 2. Very good. We pick our right color to put the eyes. Don't forget, the eyes always has a very black and tiny dots. Let's put that. Very good. The next thing we'll pick our purple color to put the beak. And then we pick a yellow color to make 1, 2. Very good. We go back to our red to put the legs. We make a stroke just like 1. Alright, that's not good. Let's clean it a little bit. Okay, let's start over. 1. You just write 1 and then you have that. The next one, 1, 2, 3, and there you have a chicken. Can you see that? Ooh, isn't this beautiful? Alright, boys and girls, I want you to try this out. Bye.